Hello again, everyone. I am back and on vacation, but here for another whiskey review. Okay. And what we'll be reviewing today is actually going to be coming out very soon, and that is going to be this beautiful bottle of Starlight honey finish 4.5-year bourbon selected by Seelbach. Now, I was just at Starlight, so I'm really excited to get into this bottle. If you could tell, I've already been kind of sharing it with some people, but I'm really excited to review this bottle for you guys. One of the things that I learned from Andrew and Ted while I was there, hey Andrew, hey Ted, one thing that I learned from them was that they actually source local honey that they use. And so that the barrels that they age the whiskey in actually comes from the local honey that's produced in the area in Indiana. So I love a good organic recycle honey. So now without further ado, let's get into it. Now color, such an appropriate honey gold situation happening here. It's gorgeous. On the nose, you can definitely tell that this is a honey finish. Immediately I'm getting fresh, sweet bouquet of flowers. Oh, God, it smells so good. Obviously honey is on the nose 1000%. I get some of the quintessential. I get a little bit of leather, very worn leather. Definitely giving like your favorite leather purse that you can't let go of. It's giving that. Definitely caramel, definitely vanilla, some chocolate. It's so nice. Okay, proof is 114.9, so basically 115, but it doesn't drink super hot right away. Off rip, first thing I'm experiencing is a honey bomb in the best way. I get honey nectar and honeycomb, and I experience that in both taste and texture. Super velvety, super smooth, really soft, super easy sip. In texture and taste also, citrus peel. Now bear with me, I'm gonna be very specific. Meyer lemon peel and orange peel. Meyer lemon is just a little bit sweeter. While it's still a lemon, so it's still tart, but there's a bit more sweetness to a Meyer lemon than a regular. It really gives me more that than your regular lemons. And it's just peel, no pith, no flesh. It's yummy. I get pepper, definitely get chocolate. And it's more like dark chocolate candy bar. What's interesting about this is that the front half of what I'm experiencing on the palate is very much focused in the honey realm. Honey nectar, honeycomb, that just inherent sweetness in that texture. And then as I get further into the sip and on the finish, I get more of the quintessential bourbon notes. I get a little tobacco that's trying to creep in there. I get the chocolate, I get pepper, I get smoke. And that smoke is definitely more of an undercurrent, both on palate and on the nose. Actually, that smoke is present in both. That chocolate just sits with that honey. It's really nice. I don't tend to think chocolate and honey together, but in terms of how it's being expressed here, I like it a lot. This is a perfect, like, it's not so sweet that it's like a dessert type of pour, but it's a good digestive. Just to enjoy after a meal, have with something a little sweet, maybe with a cookie or something. It's giving that vibe. I really like it. Also make a mean gold rush. That is what I might make today. Light bulb. I mean, it's really hard to go wrong with a honey barrel. I have not had a bad one yet. Pray that I don't. I've only had ones that I either really like or really love. I see you. We see you. This is wonderful. Anyway, it'll be out soon. Can't wait to share it. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. I'm gonna let this mellow out some more and get back into it. Let me get back to my vacation. Cheers.